Hello. I'm Jamie Griffin with Memphis Public Libraries. I'm here today at the Whitehaven Library branch to do a little magic for you today. So I hope you all like that. Yes. Thank you all. You can calm it down. Now, for my very first trick, I want you to think of a number. Any number. From 1 to 1 million. Got it in your mind? All right. So, that number is not 789. Yes. Okay, all right. Just messing around, just getting you a little warmed up. Actually, my first trick is called the juice in the can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this juice, which is my favorite fruit punch. I think you kind of like that too. And I am going to cover it with a can. And at the same time, I'm going to make this juice appear over here. All right? Y'all want to see this? I may be a little, I guess, slow in doing this because I hadn't done it in a long time. So don't get mad at me if I mess up. But, all right. So first of all, you see there's nothing there, nothing there, nothing to hide except for my eyes. All right. So let's try it. Let me put this one over here. And we're going to use the magic words Whitehaven Library. Boom, boom, boom. There you have it. And the same here. Boom, boom, boom. Voila. Thank you. YouTube. Keep it going. How did I do that? Listen. Magicians can never, ever tell their secrets. But stick around after the show. You got a couple bucks. Maybe they can. All right. Now for my next trick, it's the disappearing ball. Now, as you can see, there's a red ball. See this? Red ball. Nothing here. And now I close it. Keep your eyes on my hands, so you know I'm not doing any funny business, because I know you're skeptical, and I get that. Let me give you another look. Ball, nothing here. I press it back on top. You see my hands? All right, and I'm going to say some magic words. I know you like abracadabra, hocus pocus, but I'm going to say Whitehaven Library, and voila. Yes. But that's not all. You wonder where the ball went. Yes, good question. Let's see. Empty hat. Red ball. Thank you. You all are too kind. Come on, I don't deserve all that. All right, but there's even more to this. So you see the red ball. I'll sit it here so you won't think there's any funny business going on. And I will do this. Whitehaven Library. I'll say it backwards. Library Whitehaven. And now you got the ball again. Stop it. You know how to get fan club. They travel with me. But, all right, so our next trick here. What I'm going to try to do. See this? This is all legitimate. It's just tissue. Nothing. All right. And here's a container. The back. Here's the front. So what I'm going to try to do to make this disappear, fold it up just so it can fit. I slide it in. See that? Okay. Now, didn't work. There we go. Voila. It just gone. Yes. All righty. Not not done just yet. Now we're gonna do some things with coins. And I figured most of you all probably like that. Got money on you. But this is an easy way to make money. Here you go. With me here, I have a nickel. See it? It's the front of it, and here's the back of it. All right? So, it's tough in this economy these days. So what I want to do is try to make this nickel, invest it, and double my money. So if I double a nickel, what do I have? Yes, for you smart folks out there, a dime. So, putting it in my investment chamber. I don't want people to know exactly where I put my money. Sometimes I do foreign stock, you know. So, when I do that, now, as you can see here, nothing here, but what do I have here? I've turned my investment, doubled it, and turned it into a dime. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. We're gonna move on. Here we have 4 quarters. 4 quarters and an empty container. Take a look. Take a look. Empty container. Yes. Now, with these 4 quarters, I want you to see, put them all in their face, just like so. Now, what I'm going to do with these 4 quarters, I'm going to put them all in here, but I'm going to put the one with the eagle on the top. So you can see, no funny business. Eagle on the top. Now there's a reason I'm doing this. The reason I'm putting the eagle on the top is because eagles can do what? Yes, they can fly. And so what I'm going to try to do is to make this eagle fly from one hand to the next. Alrighty, you got me? So let's just make sure we're seeing this again. You see the eagle on top, right? So my job is to make the eagle fly. Here we go. No funny business, and voila, it's gone. Where did it go? Eagle on top. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, for my last trick, we're gonna do cards. We're going to play cards a little bit. Yes. I hope you really like this one. This, take a jack. This is the jack of clubs. Now I'm going to do something that I don't suggest that most people do, and that's to rip it up. I'm going to rip up. Mad with it. Just rip it. 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 Now, I want you to take a good look. Look at them rip. See them? They're all ripped up. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take these ripped cards, we're gonna put them in here, we're gonna save a piece. We're gonna save that piece. Put that right there. Right? See that? So we got the cards all ripped up. I'm gonna rip it up a little more just for you. Alright. So now we're gonna close it. We're gonna set a couple of magical words, Whitehaven Library. And there you go. Just in case you're thinking there's some funny business, you put that together and you got your jack of club back. And all you gotta do is tape it up. You can put it back in the deck. You can play spades or whatever you play. All right, well that is going to do it for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. Again, my name is Jamie Griffin and this is for the Whitehaven Public Library. Thank you.